Thank you so much. Hi, for a dryer?
No, here. Go through the garage.
Okay.
Open up the garage.
Sure. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Where are we at? Okay, so there's squeaking noise, right?
There is.
Okay, so it's most likely something to do with the pulley, but let me take it apart and I'll see what I can do.
Okay. I had to hang these last night.
No problem, we'll fix this up. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to do maintenance. Belt is perfectly fine.
Oh, the belt's fine?
Yeah. It's just you guys never did the cleaning on anything. So basically there's rollers that needs to be maintained. So that's about it. So it's 240 altogether
Okay,
for the
so
maintenance.
you can do that today?
Yeah, I can do it now.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then what is the guarantee? 30
It's
days?
6 months.
6 months? If
Yeah.
I hear the grinding, you'll come
Yeah.
out for... Okay. All right. Let's
Okay.
do that.
No problem.
I mean, the model at least 5 years.
A little bit of experience and it's easy.
And you have it, right?
Yeah. It's my first one.
I don't believe you. With that smirk on your face. Here, let me pull it.
Thank you so much. Вот он, который скрипит. Sounds much better.
So much better? You turned it on, it's... Oh, there it is. That's my old dryer.
Good. Okay, pleasure meeting you. No problem. Bye now.